The first time you power up your Windows computer, that day your computer started creating folders that accumulate a lot of space on your device, thereby cover up the space on your device and make your device run slowly. A lot of users don't know this, that it exists, and that is why in this video I will walk you through 3 steps or processes to clean your device perfectly without any delay. And this process, you cannot just go to the settings and walk to it because it is hidden, and that is why it is called hidden files that is accumulating space on your computer. And this particular process work for all computers running on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first thing you have to do is to remove junk from what you call prefetched folder. So to do that, combine Windows key plus R, then type in prefetch, then click on the enter button. If you are doing for the very first time, it's going to bring a pop-up that you want to allow. Click or allow or continue. Now take a look at what you see here. 45 kilobytes, 15 kilobytes, all these is junk files that is accumulating on your device, and that will make your device to work slowly. So all you have to do is very simple, is to delete this file from this place by tapping on Ctrl A to highlight everything, then Shift Delete to delete everything from this place. By doing that, guys, it's going to remove them permanently and it's not going to send them to your recycle bin. Then go ahead and hit enter, or you click on yes button here. Now you see that the folder is empty, and if peradventure there's some folder that says cannot be deleted, then don't panic. It's because that particular folder is really active as at when you are doing that. Now we are good to go. Now close this page and move to the second step. The second step is what is called temporary folder. Each time you download a program on your device, you open a web page, you do any sort of thing, a particular folder is created for that particular operation you carry out on your device. And once you've removed that device or apps from your device, this folder is still remain on your device. And that is why sometimes your device runs slowly because you ignore these settings. Now to access this, tap on Windows plus R. In the space provided here is what you need to type in: percentage temp, then percentage. Hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, then it brings to this interface. Now imagine you allow your device to run without checking this for months or years. Now don't you know that it's going to accumulate more spaces on your device and it will cause your device to run slowly. Now all you have to do is, guys, is this same thing. Click on anyone, Ctrl A, then Shift Delete or Delete. Now click on enter. So now you can see that those files has been deleted. This remaining one is because they are open right away on your device. Then don't panic. You've been able to carry out 2-step successfully on this process. Now this takes us to the third process. It's very simple. The third process, you're going to delete what's called system temps folder. Then the same process, Windows plus R key, then provide this information: percent .win.ir %\temp, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, this brings all to this information. You have a lot of them here, and these files accumulate some space on your device. Now click on any of these three, then Ctrl A, then delete or Shift Delete. Now click on skip this one time. Now because this one is open right away on our desktop, that is why it's not being able to clear this. So with these, guys, you've been able to wipe away these hidden folders that cause junks, or that is called junks, on your device running on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.